Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team and this is the DJI Mic 3. Let's get it unboxed. So this is everything that comes in the box. One very noticeable thing to mention is that the Mic 3 transmitter is really nice and small. It looks just like the Mic Mini, and so we already know that it will be really discreet when you're wearing it. As you can see here, we've got the option of either a magnetic or clip-on attachment, and the clip is actually rotatable too, which is really nice as it offers you a little bit more flexibility when it comes to positioning it. The charging case fits 2 transmitters and 1 receiver in comfortably, and you can keep the windscreen on the transmitters too. Everything just fits really neatly in here all together, so you don't need to worry about losing any of it. Now, just as a size comparison, I do have the Mic 2 charging case here as well. The DJI Mic 3 is really user-friendly, and if you're looking to improve your audio quality but maybe you've not used microphones before, then this is a great one to choose, as it really can be as simple as just plugging it in and you're ready to go. The receiver features a nice 1.1-inch AMOLED touchscreen and a dial, so you can easily see and adjust your gain, modes and battery life. If you do want more control, then you can connect to the DJI Mimo app, and it's probably worth noting that you can connect up to 4 transmitters at once to the receiver, which is going to be great for interview use. We've got 3 voice tone presets and adaptive gain control for balanced volume, where the automatic mode will help to prevent audio clipping, which means it's going to be great for those outdoor environments, maybe sporting events, where you get erratic changes in noise level. And then you've also got dynamic mode, which is going to be really useful for those indoor quiet scenarios, so maybe studio use, where it will just automatically give you a very controlled and balanced loudness. There's a built-in timecode for precise syncing, dual file internal recording, so you don't ever need to worry about wireless interference, as the Mic 3 will save both the original track and an algorithm enhanced version. It also supports 32-bit float internal recording, which is kind of like the equivalent of shooting in RAW on your camera, but in audio terms. So it gives you higher dynamic range, a higher quality recording, and that just allows a lot more flexibility when it comes to post-production. We also have 2-level noise cancelling for focused sound. We've got basic, which is going to be great for those indoor, quiet-ish environments where maybe you want to reduce the noise of the air conditioning or a fan. And then strong, which is going to be perfect for noisy outdoor environments or anywhere where you want to reduce that kind of unwanted ambient noise. So I am currently using strong right now, and it is quite windy and it has just started raining, so I don't know if you're able to hear kind of the road noise or the wind noise, but I'm going to turn it off now, and then we'll just see if you can hear a difference. Okay, so this now is with noise cancelling turned off completely. Has just started to really heavily rain, but I'm really hoping now you can hear wind, maybe people screaming, and also rain, maybe. Okay, so I've got it back on strong now, and I really hope that you can hear a difference, because I feel like the noise cancelling is such a good feature. It just means that there hopefully is less work that you need to do in post, because you've already reduced some of those annoying noises that maybe distract from what it is that you're saying, and it just means that you don't always have to wait for it to be dead silent before you record. Let's also not forget the windscreen that you attach to the mic to aid in that crisp and clear audio. Really useful in windy conditions and is a must for all you vloggers and outdoor creators. The DJI Mic 3 has a transmission range of up to 400 meters. So as I back away from the camera, you shouldn't notice any change to my audio. And it also features automatic frequency band hopping as well to ensure that you always have a stable transmission, even in complex environments. I don't know why I'm walking weird, but hopefully you can still hear me. If you're worried about running out of power, then fear not, as the Mic 3 transmitter has a battery life of up to 8 hours and the receiver up to 10. But if that still doesn't seem like it's going to be enough for you, then a fully charged charging case will give you up to 28 hours. It also features quick charging for those last minute moments, where just 5 minutes on charge will give you 2 hours of use, and it also has a ton of intelligent power saving features too. Featuring DJI's Osmo Audio Direct connection, the transmitter can directly connect to a bunch of other DJI products without the need for the receiver, giving you a much smoother and simpler workflow. And to be honest, I think that's one of the things I love most about the DJI Mic 3 is that it can just connect to a wide array of products, whether that is my camera, my Action 5 Pro, Osmo 360, the Pocket 3, or just giving me crisper, clearer audio from my smartphone, and all of that with complete ease. So if you are looking to improve your audio and you're a content creator or a vlogger and you've got other DJI products, then this really should be a no-brainer for you. Now, if you'd like to find out any more information on the DJI Mic 3, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!